I got my two sides all finished. Okay, I cut out my 14 pieces, which is the bridge width is 2 3/4 inches. So I'm going to take these off, and now I'm ready to put my bridge together. Just to point out, when I did build my bridge sides, I used the same holes for both of them. Okay, from here and here. Those were all the holes that I used when I built this. Okay, so it was the same for both sides. Now this paper, you don't worry, we can always get another piece. Just peel this off. Okay. And it may be a good idea to put gusset plates on the other side also, but you don't have to. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put our bridge together. Okay, so this is the way they were built. See how they're nice and lined up. Okay, and the way we put it together is we take two popsicle sticks. These are 2 3/4 long because that's my bridge width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a mark on this so I know where they are. 2 3/4. Okay, I'm going to do this side too. And this is going to help us assemble the bridge. Okay, because they're thin. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to clip one of these here. I'm going to keep that even. Okay, I'm going to take my other one and I'm going to line it up. I always say try to line up the edges. Pick another one and clip it here. Okay, now my bridge stands. Okay, now this is going to be like a game of operation when you put this together. Okay, try to make sure that it looks like it's pretty square. Okay, this is lined up here on the end. It's lined up with the paper. I'm using the paper as a square edge. And now I'm going to put in all my braces. Now, I probably shouldn't have covered my plan, but I kind of know where they go. Okay, you can see that these are where all my braces go. Up here and the top and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to take some Elmer's glue and I'm just going to put where my braces go. So I know one goes here and one goes here. And another one here and another one here. So I like to put it in where I know they go. I put the glue first. Okay, I'll put all my bottom ones in first. Okay, and then you take them and you can look at the wood so you make sure you put them in all the same way. I think I'm going to put the paint kind of part up. So one goes here. And if you ever played that game of operation, you'll know what I mean. You got to be careful that you don't knock your whole bridge down. So there'll be these. There's one here. So these are my bottom ones. Now I'll put my top ones in, and these are the top ones here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them on the top. So one here. There's another one right near this. Okay, this should be all of them. Oh, did I miss any? I did miss one right here. Okay, now my bridge is all set now. Now what we need to do is when we're done, you got to be careful. You don't want to break it. Okay, I only needed 2 spring clothespins and 1 popsicle stick. Sometimes you can use a couple more over here, but I didn't need it. All right, so when you're done, you're going to put it up on the shelf. Okay, this should be cleared off. All right, and you're going to just kind of let it here and let it dry overnight.